The base for this veneer is Sculpey Pearl Clay, which I rolled to a setting number 4 using the pasta machine. I'm using the Enchanted Rose Vine silkscreen stencil from Create Along to make both layers on this veneer. I started by placing it orange side down onto the sheet of clay and just burnish it a bit to make sure that it adheres well. And then I'm using some gold mica powder. I like to use my fingertip to apply the mica powder because I can press a little more and also control exactly where I'm placing it on that silkscreen. I covered the entire surface of that clay sheet with the mica powder through the silkscreen. You can see the result is a very soft, sparkly layer of rose vines on that clay. For the second layer, I'm using the same silk screen. I sort of determined where I wanted to place it so that the vines would be in different places over that bottom layer. And then I placed the silk screen over it, and I just pressed gently this time. I don't want to remove that bottom layer of powder. I just want to set that screen a bit. I used gold metallic paint to silk screen. And now you can see that we have that multi-layered sort of dimensional effect. The soft mica powder silkscreen image is beneath the little bit bolder, still sparkling gold silkscreened image. I used the 2.5-inch circle cutter, which is the trading coin size cutter from Create Along, to cut a disc from the veneer. I also rolled gold metallic clay to a setting number 2 on the machine and cut the same size disc to be a base for the coin. I made 2 of these coins. I did bake them according to the manufacturer instructions before I proceeded with embellishing the finished coin. You can still see that you have that soft, almost golden shadow vine effect beneath that gold paint after baking. To finish embellishing, I extruded some gold metallic clay and made a border around the coin and added a sculpted rose and some flowers and vines beneath it. A little touch of that same gold mica powder gave it a bit more sparkle. Then I baked it again to set the flower. I do recommend giving it a spray with some PYM2 or a similar polymer clay safe spray just to seal that mica powder and make sure it stays in place. And here's a closer look at your finished Enchanted Rose Vines layered veneer made into a polymer trading coin, ready to trade with a friend, or it would also make a beautiful pendant. Join us on the Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook page for lots of inspiration and share your work, and also have a chance to join our upcoming Polymer Trading Coin swap. Need more inspiration? Check out the Polymer Clay TV blog for tons of creative ideas.